Hi, I'm Inara.
And I'm Naya.
And we're the ini2kidz Productions. We received these toys, and we're going to be reviewing them. And 5 is the highest rate, and 1 is the lowest rate.
Okay, so let's get started.
Which one we're going to like?
This one. This is Guardians of the Galaxy.
It's Groot. This is the time thing.
Rocking roll. Okay, it says it right here.
Did you know that he used to be big, but then someone hit him in 1 million pieces, and then the raccoon took him and replanted him? And this is Groot, and he always says, "I am Groot" to anything. So if you say, "Hey, are you hungry, Groot?" he says, "I am Groot."
Okay, and here.
And this is a 5 for me. This is a 5 for me.
Me too, this is a 5. And then we got this.
Pokemon, and it's the Eevees. The
Look at all
5
the Pokemon.
Eevees. There's Pikachu. And then there's Water Eevee, Fire Eevee, Electric Eevee, and then there's normal Eevee. This is a 5 for me. I used to watch Pokemon.
This is 4.
You can watch Pokemon on Netflix. Next one.
What is this? This is just dice. This is dice, and there's little.
Well, I
red
like
things at the
dice.
bottom.
This is a 3 for me.
Yeah, this is a 3. And then it just has the letters on it for some reason. I don't know what's.
Wait, you got a Diary of the Wimpy Kid book? I love Diary of the Wimpy Kid.
And then,
Oh wait, no, this is an album of Diary of the Wimpy Kid.
oh yeah, and then we have
This
some
is a
balloons.
5 for me.
These are balloons, and then wait,
balloon.
this is a 1 balloon. This is
That's
just
a
one
beach
balloon.
ball. Oh,
Oh,
my
yeah,
God,
it is
that's
a beach ball. That was a balloon.
We never had beach balls. That's our first beach ball, and it's see-through. That's a 4. That's a 4.
Yeah, that's a 4. And then this, a bubble, a bubble. That's what it's called. Bubble flavored bubbles. See, look at
Flavored
this.
bubbles?
I guess you could
Liquid
lick them.
bubble.
Yeah, you
What?
could lick them. I don't know what's.
That's so funny and weird. That's a 5 for me.
Yeah, that's a 5. No, that's a 4.
What else? There's this alien. I think this is an alien. It's like
Oh,
one of
wait.
those sequin things that flip.
Oh, what's
I
this?
don't know. It's an
Bam
alien.
book.
Oh,
this
it's
is
a skeleton.
This is a sticker book. Let me see all the cool
It
stickers.
has stickers in it.
Yeah, stickers.
That's a lot of stickers.
Watermelon, fries, shoes, dogs, paper,
Then that is.
and soccer ball.
That's a 5 for me. What do you think this is? What rate is this?
That's a 3.
Well, it's a 5 for me.
And we got tackle. And this is a cool board game. And it says how to play on the back.
I never heard of it.
Get that.
Wait, this is a 4 for me because I don't even know this game.
Look at this. It's Star Wars. Oh my god.
It's from Star Wars. Rain t-shirt. That's a 5 for me.
Yeah, this is a 5. What does this do?
This is also. What is this? Oh, that was the sticker.
Let me see.
Yeah, this is a 5 for me too.
Oh my gosh, it's Monopoly. Look at this.
It looks like a different Monopoly.
Yeah.
Wait, let me read it.
Oh, there goes the game on the back of it.
Kind of looks different than any Monopoly. Look at this. This is a 5 for me because I really like Monopoly.
Oh, what's this? Ooh, look at this. It's a hatch and grow dino egg. And I guess it
I think you're supposed
if
to
you
hatch-
put it in water. Yeah, it says if you put it in water, then it will start to grow.
And then there's this book, Drawing a Robot. This is a 3 for me. Wait, what's in it? Oh, tells you how to draw robots. This is a 5 for me.
Oh yeah, and this. This is for the nose. Look at that.
This is the planet Earth. Animals of Africa.
Ooh,
Level 3 reading.
it's paint and glitter.
Yeah.
Oh, let's see what else. Oh, it's putty.
It's
Yeah, putty.
magnetic putty.
Yeah, it's magnetic.
And this is Five Nights at Freddy's. It's called FNAF. Doesn't really have anything in it though. Pretty much. Just has all this.
Oh yeah, and now we got a card game and a fidget spinner.
There is more fidget
Oh
spinners.
yeah, and this is it for the video. Bye. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Bye. I'm not opening well. LOL. I have to take it by the zipper part. This is a gold one. The gold ones are very popular. And that means there's something special. I'm still not opening it right. LOL. That's ironic because there's LOL dolls called LOL now. And that's the older ones. When do I open this from? Yeah, I need a scissors. LOL. Yeah, scissors would really. Oh gee, I got it all. Yeah, I got it all. Color me fabulous. Hey,
Oh,
where's that little
I hatched
paper?
it.
Oh, here's the little
Clean
paper.
out.
Oh, here's accessories.
Get him out.
And-
Why is he sticky?
oh yeah. Devil plus bad hair day. Bad hair day. It means bad hair day.
I'm actually gonna open this fidget spinner now.
Color me fabulous.
Ooh, fidget spinner.
I miss those things. By the way, there's 2 fidget spinners. There's a gray one, a blue, and a blue one. You got the blue one, I guess, already. And I'm still not opening this right. LOL.
What else am I gonna? Oh,
Oh, it opened already. Wait, is this the confetti one or the hair one? Oh, yeah. I knew I needed scissors with this. This always needs scissors. Oh, never mind.
the doll holder. Oh. And I got this. Oh, these are instructions how to open it. Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's supposed to be a mirror. Shiny.
Oh, and
Oh,
I'm
well.
trying to see what this is.
What is that? Is this a shoe? Oh yeah, this is a shoe. This is a shoe. Is there anything even on there? Oh, this is a necklace. Where's this? OMG, how does this even work? Oh, you could open this? Oh. Here's the doll. I'm waiting for a second. Ooh, it's a bow. Sister should go in